Well, I am now at Solar Pleasure. It is Solar Pleasure where I'm at, and waiting for Doug now because we're going on a little bit of a bit of an adventure today. Bit of a camper van kind of meet, a camper van meet. So I'm just waiting for him. We're at Solar Pleasure, which is just on the outskirts of Shrewsbury, as you can see. Always know it with that big dragonfly that's there. I'm in the van. And actual fact, this is the last trip out in the van actually, because it's going to be complete and utterly altered completely. Let me show you what I'm doing. Might be worth just showing you, hadn't it? Well, I am moving that one unit across here, across the door here, and then I'm actually creating a double bed across the whole width of the van. So all of that, the rock and roll bed will be going, all of that will be going, under bed storage, somewhere for the toilet to go. Just reconfiguring it, just because sometimes when you have a camper van, it sometimes just doesn't work for you or what you want, you know, out of that van. So the plan for this weekend is meet here. Brendan will be joining us. So we've got Doug. Doug's going to join me on a trip up to Llanymynech. The Llanymynech quarry, so he's coming up there, and Brendan will be joining us later when we go to Alderford Lake, where they're actually having a big bonfire there, so that'll be interesting, fireworks display, etc. So it'll be the boys meeting up. It'll be nice to do. So just waiting for Doug. Well, hello, we are here. I've got Doug in tow. He's got his little vehicle here, so let's have a look what he's come in. This is like Top Gear, this is, isn't it? Where we're looking at what. So he's got won't show the number plate, but it's an 08 Toyota Yaris. Oh yeah. So it's a little bit bigger. So Doug, this is your bed for the night, is it?
Pretty much, or it will be at least once it's all been converted.
Do those seats go right back then?
Seat goes all the way forward. Seat goes flat. I measured it. It's about 170 centimetres.
Yeah.
I'm 173 centimetres. So.
This is the trouble with Brendan, right? He comes, right, and I know he wants to buy himself like a proper camper van, but the whole point people love his channel is because he's a micro camper. Oh, he has to watch that. I think he should keep the micro camper and just do a few trips in that as well, just to keep everybody happy, you know. But yeah, we're at Llanymynech. Oh, hang on, I've got to say it right now. Llanymynech. Because if I say that, my wife always corrects me on it, being like from over this way. Llanymynech. And we're going to show Doug around here. So we're up. It's autumn. So we've got this nice leafy path that's leading us into this beautiful area, which is an SSI, by the way. In front of me is the rock face at Llanymynech quarry, and you can see it's being used for a bit of rock climbing and stuff like that. But just think, all of these big blocks have been cut out nice and straight and literally by hand. Some graft has gone into that, and I mean, I'll give you an example of how high that ridge is. Look at these trees here. I mean, they're pretty tall, and yeah, that actually dwarfs it. First impressions, Doug, on this old beauty?
It's big, isn't it? I love it's all been cut by hand.
All been cut by hand, yeah. Literally cut into blocks and then literally pushed off the edge. But it's meant to be a really rare kind of limestone, like it's got actually reddish in colour, which is limestone's particularly kind of like a creamy colour. So me and Doug are now going in the back cave, okay? He's already told me that he loves going in bat caves, or his wife does, something like that anyway. But we're going to go and take a look. Let's turn you around, and you can start to see this quarry now. And here is the tunnel. Oh yes. Right, I've just got to do a little bit of preparation before we go in. You can see it there. So do my walkout on. Look behind you. See, you walk past them. So we're now off to see Brendan now, and he is over at Whitchurch. I am parked at the truck stop, which is in Whitchurch, and the boys are here now. So you know, I've already had Doug here. Well, obviously Brendan Explores is here now. He's on site. He's good, and I'm sure you remember this car camp. Look at it. Right. So what we've actually got is the car camper and Doug's micro camper. You see. It's almost like scaled up, isn't it?
Back together multiple times.
Here it is. He's just giving us a demo of it now. I missed that. So it's a dinosaur then.
What do you think? Because over the years, I've had many people suggest all sorts of things to what creature we think Fred is.
I think a dinosaur.
I mean, I've always gone with the sort of dinosaur, but he could be a dragon because of the horns. I've had some people even suggest a kangaroo. I mean,
I'd go with the dinosaur myself. Yeah. It's got a look at it's the short arms and big legs. Yeah. It's a kangaroo hybrid.
Yeah. I mean, I'll go with Bedosaurus.
Yeah. Well, we're kind of parked up here, Brendan, aren't we now? But check out that sky. Do you see that going up there? Isn't that beautiful?
For the rest of the night, mate.
Yeah, we'll be able.
I don't think I'm going to get out. How slippy it's going to be.
Yeah, I think you get worried when the guy says all the four-wheel drive vehicles need to park in the corner.
Yes, yeah. But yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, that is a nice sky.
All right, though. Tractor.
They have got a tractor, yeah. I did eye that, and I thought,
I've roped a tractor in before at the festival to tow people out of the night.
Yeah. Well, here we are. We're at Alderford now, and I couldn't believe how quick. Me and Doug must have actually just driven past this, shouldn't we?
Yeah, just to get back in this way.
Yeah.
See, the way to remember it is these guys don't get to go home until we've all gone home. So
yeah,
they've got a vested interest in getting us back out.
Yeah, that's true. It's been about 10 years since I came to a fair.
Hey, up, 1, 2, 2, 2.
So Brendan really is a foodie, right? Because he's literally psyching them out one by one now, right? Look at the guy. Look at him. I know what his game is.
Yeah, so that's a
He really is a foodie, isn't he? I think I suppose that's it. You know, normally you're be impulsive and you'll just go, I'll just go there. But he's weighing up the competition. He's weighing up what's available. We've been there already, haven't we? We've found a way here, and we're at now at the bonfire warming up because it's pretty cold, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
It's freezing. If only we could take the bonfire with us.
Yeah. Doug's just looking at his footage there, aren't you?
Making us jealous.
Yeah. This is called trying to find your van. So I'm at Colmere now, guys, and I'm waiting for the boys to arrive. And this is it does say there no park camping or overnight parking, but it doesn't really matter. That's what's going to happen here, you know. Right, I'm all set up for the night now, ready for the old night out. And here we got my rock and roll bed that's out. Look. Now, one of the issues with this rock and roll bed, as you can see on the short wheelbase Vivaro, is that the base actually comes halfway where the fridge is, which means you can't open the fridge at night, which is really annoying. So what I intend to do is to basically take out that unit that's there and remove that, and then put the bed across the van. So that's the plan. But actually, rather than it is a very comfortable bed and good few inches of foam on that as well. It's easy enough to put in and out, but just not practical for this van when space is a complete premium, really.
It's halfway done.
Well, here we go. We got Doug's bed here now. What, Doug? That's an air bed.
Yep. But it's a ready bed, so it blows up quite quick.
Mate, I've got to say, there's more room there than it looks.
I going to come have a look in a minute.
I think we might trade tonight for this. Mind you, I'm 6'2". I think I'm struggling.
I had faith in him. I thought you'd make a good...
No, this is. He's got. He's blowing his airbed up with his mouth. Hello. So what goes on behind closed doors, eh? So this is my little camper van. I'm just having. You see the usual routine for me. This is. I'm just having a Muller ice, but not Muller, Aldi, and a pint of milk before I go to sleep. Got my little drawer here with all the little utensils in and things like that. But yeah, it's been a good night. The guys are brilliant. You know, Doug is one of those people who I've worked on a couple of little projects with in the past. Very good videographer and photographer. Really great at capturing sort of moody sort of photography, that sort of thing. And Brendan, you know, when you met Brendan, maybe this is the second time, but top guy, you know, I think he's inspiring a lot of people, Brendan is, and especially with his way he does his YouTube, you know, in his channel and stuff. So well, it's time to go, time to leave Colmere. Things to do, places to see, people to see, places to go, and the boys are going. Brendan's got his drone up in the air now. Finally, he got cut short by the rainbow, but arguably he's got a better sky now because it's beautiful blue sky.